Hey, what is up guys? My name is Rohit and today in this video we are going to talk about macro photography. Macro photography is extreme close range photography in which you have to go a relatively close to your subject. Our smartphone does not support that much close range. It can go only up to 3 or 4 inches apart from the subject. So for that you will need this lens. This is a macro lens. You can buy this at Flipkart or Amazon at around 300 or 400 rupees. Before starting the shoot, you have to clean your lens and also your mobile lens first. So now if you have a lens and your camera ready, let's get started with the shooting part. Now in this photography, choosing your subject is also very important. As macro photography suggests, your subject should be very small in size, like insect or a flower bird or inside structure of a flower. So as I said, you have to go very close to your subject. So take your camera and go very close to your subject until it gets in the focus. But if you're shooting in the auto mode, you'll notice that it will continuously change its focus during the shoot. Shift your camera focus to the manual focus and then lock your focus and shoot your photo. During shooting a macro, even a slight movement can cause a shift of focus and we really don't want that in your image. So if you have any tripod, use it to get a stable and sharp photo. I hope you enjoyed the video. Hit the thumbs up button if you liked the video. Subscribe for more mobile photography content. I will talk to you guys in the next one. Bye.